Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna fix a Samsung phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, the 5G version. So the client gave this to us to have a quick repair, and we're gonna perform a screen replacement on this broken Samsung device. So let's check the condition of the smartphone. The back is alright, but the front has a very focused crack on the front display. So clearly we're gonna remove the old screen on the front and replace it with a new one. So first is we're gonna remove this back cover. So what we're spraying there is just to make the adhesives less sticky so we can peel that back cover off. Not a lot, because when you have contaminate the internals, it can damage the device. It's just for the side of the device. So we're gonna remove the shrouds for this smartphone. So there's a lot of screws on this one. This covers the motherboard and the daughter board on the top and bottom of the smartphone. So the wireless charger is also attached at the back, covering the battery, and you can see the camera systems, the motherboard, the battery in the middle, and some flex cable connectors right there. You have to be very careful not to damage this if you want to try this on your own. But spoiler alert, we don't suggest that you do this on your own without proper training and tools. So this is the replacement screen. Unlike other smartphones with a replacement screen mounted on the device, the screen replacement for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus has the assembly on the side. So all the parts that we're gonna remove from this old screen will be transplanted on the new one on the left. So we have to be very careful because this is a total disassembly of the device. And right here, we're gonna transplant the motherboard to the new display, the SIM card tray, and we're gonna reverse the process that we did when we disassembled the device. And you have to be very careful when you install it, because sometimes it's really dangerous. Even if your hands are dry, it can have static built up to it, and it can damage the RAM chips and some solid state storage, or even the motherboard itself. So as I've said, it's not an advisable repair for the beginners or even the enthusiasts, because this is a total disassembly of the device. And right here, we're almost done. We're just gonna plug in some parts. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone that needs a screen replacement, we can't really repair it straight away. All we can do is replace it with a new display. And Sydney CBD Repair Center has been a #1 Samsung repair destination, and especially in this pandemic recession that's happening all over Australia, it's really wise to have your smartphone repaired rather than buying something new. So as you can see here, it's almost as if you bought something new of a smartphone, because the front of it is spotless and looks shiny. And we can say at this stage that the operation has been successful. If you have other smartphones that needs repair, like iPhones, other Android device from different models or brands, bring it to us, including your smartwatches, Apple Watches, tablets. We can fix it for you. So if you like this video, guys, click like and subscribe, and call us or visit us if you want to have your smartphone fixed. You can mail in your broken smartphone if you're from outside Sydney, so we can fix it for you while you wait safely at home. No need for you to get out. So this is done, and thanks for joining me, guys. Cheers!